and hello everyone. Good morning to all. Today children, I am going to explain about force, energy and simple motion. Okay, this is new lesson. I'll start 7th lesson. Force, energy and simple motion. Nothing. So just we want to learn about force, energy and simple motion. From our today topic, I will start about force. Okay, so let me tell you about force. Yes children, so what is the meaning of force? Okay, so how is going to be happen the movement of an object? Okay, how we can decide whether an object is moving very faster than others? So like that we want to learn certain things from this lesson. Yes children, let me tell you first force. What is the meaning of force? See here, force is nothing but force is a pull or push. Force is a pull or push. Where we pull or push is called the force. Yes. So where we can apply the force means listen. So pull or push applied on an object. Yes, any object. Okay. See, any object. Force is a pull or push applied on any object. And why force is very essential means force is needed to do work. Force is needed to do work. Yes children. Example, you can imagine we are playing football like that. Yes children. So football, while playing football, yes we can see that the movement of football. How it is happen that movement of football? Movement of ball is going to be happen by force. Yes. So force is a pull or push. Yes. So it's going to be applied of an object. Here object, which is the object? Ball. Football is the object. So upon that we are spending force. That means we are pushed. That means we want to kick to move the ball. Yes children. See here, let me ask you a question. How object can move? Okay. How any object? How object can move from one to another place? Simply it cannot move. We want to give energy to move. Or else we want to spend some force upon that to move from one to another place. Yes children. Otherwise it cannot move. So object can move while applying force upon that. Yes children. See force it can be pull or push. Yes, pull or push. Next question, how we can decide whether an object is moving faster than others? See here, while moving an object we can say which is moving very faster than others or which is moving very slower than others. We can say easily. How we can decide it? Yes. See what is the question? Next question. First question I asked you. How object can move? For that I said an answer. Yes. Force. Certain force we want to apply on them to move object from one to another place. Yes children. So next question. How we can decide whether an object is moving very faster than others? Yes. How we can decide it? Listen. Moving object. Example ball we can take. Yes. Moving object ball. So while playing a football, what happened? While kicking, what happened? Yes, it start to moving from one to another place. That means it's going to be rolling on the ground. Yes. So it's going to be rolling on the ground as gradually it will become slow down. Okay, why it will become slow down? Why? What is the reason? Sometimes it may change its direction also. Yes children, listen. While kicking, it start to rolling on the ground as well as it becomes slow down. Okay, so continuously if you are kicking, going to kick, what happen? It can change its direction of motion. Motion means nothing but it can move from one to another place. Yes, any object it can move from one to another place is called a motion. Yes children. So while moving object, okay, yes, may should happen. It comes slow, it will become slow down or else it can change its direction also. Yes children. Yes. Next, so it is also possible that the ball may slow down and also change its direction. Yes, both also is possible. Yes children. Next, now what makes an object slow down? Next question. Yes, ball gradually it will become slow down. So why it's going to be happen? So what makes an object slow down? Or go faster or change its direction. 3 also possible. It can go fast or else it will become slow down or else it can change its direction. So 3 also is possible. How it is possible? Who is going to be make these changes upon an object? Yes children, that is the question. Next is here, just recall our everyday activities. Okay, so from morning to evening, certain activity is compulsory for us. Okay, just we want to recall our activities. First question, what do you to make a football move? First question, while playing. Yes, everyone are eager to play. So while playing, while especially football. Example, football playing, what happened? That is the question. What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? Yes, it's a ball, it's already moving. If we want to ball very fast, that means that we want to increase the speed of a ball. Speed of ball means what we should do? That is the question. Yes, can you say the answer for that? Huh? Can you say that, children? Next is here, in this situation, the ball, what happens means it's either, yes, either made to faster or slower, or its direction of motion is going to be changed. 3 also possible. Before itself I told. Yes, while applying extra force, yes, it can move fast. Okay, so as well as it will become slow down. So while applying force on that, yes, along with the movement of fast, as well as it can change its direction also. Yes, children? Yes. So all this cases, very important things we want to learn about force. Okay, so speed, even the direction also, it's going to be decided by the force. So force means nothing but force is a push or pull. Okay, push or pull. Yes, where it's going to be applied? The push or pull means it's going to be applied of an object. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so here movement of any object should happen means we want to, yes, apply force on them. Yes, children, on that. Listen. So force is here pull or push applied on object. Yes, what happen? Yes, motion is going to be happen. Motion means, yes, motion means, what is that motion? Motion means nothing but so movement of an object. Yes, children, movement of an object. Okay, so motion how is going to be happen? By applying force. Okay, children, so here force is needed to do work. Forces needed to do work. Next, it helps in setting your body in motion and also helps in stopping a moving body. Okay, you can see, children, listen, example they are given in your textbook, page number 85. Listen, force setting a body in motion. Force, listen, first figure you can see, force setting a body in motion. Okay, means it helps in, listen, it helps in setting a body in motion. See, here you can see the boy is sitting, is moving along with a bicycle. Yes, no? Here the boy, yes, he is sitting. Then also the movement is going to be happen. Okay, yes, children, see here movement. So it helps in setting a boy in motion and also helping stopping a moving body. Moving body. Next, see here a boy, listen, he is trying to stop a boy. See here a boy is coming along with a vehicle. Yes, no? So through the force sitting a, yes, both also is possible. Okay, yes, children, by force, listen, it helps in setting a body in the motion as well as, and also helps in stopping a moving body. Fine. Third point is, listen, third point, it can also change the shape of your body or direction of its direction of motion of the object. So even the, listen, through the force, even shape of the body also going to be changed, as well as even the direction of motion also is going to be changed. Okay, children. So force means nothing but force is a pull or push applied on object. Yes, force is needed to do work. It helps in setting your body in motion as well as, and also helps in stopping your moving body. Okay, children. So even the shape of yes, shape also going to be changed by force. Yes, children. Types of forces. How many types of forces is there? Listen, see here in your textbook they are given list of frictional force, elastic force, gravitational force, magnetic force, muscular force, mechanical force and beyond force. Okay, these are the types of force. Yes children? Okay children, we will learn about types of forces in our next class. Yes children, thank you.